channel. My name is Cuban Beauty. If you're new, consider hitting like and subscribe and join the Cuban Beauty familia. And as always, please give this video a big thumbs up. Hey guys, it's that time of the month again. I got my Boxy Charm. And what do you know, I actually got it in a decent hour. It's amazing, isn't it? This is my Boxy Charm. I've not opened it. It's still sealed. You can see my address. Congratulations. You know my address. Okay. I don't know where my cotton picking box cutter ran off to because it's always running off somewhere. So let's get into this box right quick and see what we got. Everybody gets a different variation. Remember that. So I don't know what my variation is. Now we'll let you know that Boxy Charm is a $21 a month subscription in which you will get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. Occasionally I have gotten 6. And if you look down underneath in the description, I will post an affiliate code for y'all or in a link or referral link where you can go and get Boxy Charm for yourself. This is a little card that always comes with Boxy Charm. In the back it says, have you heard about Boxy Luxe? If you haven't heard about Boxy Luxe, it's a $28.99 a month subscription where you get the big box with lots of stuff. That one I've not received yet, but that one you get a lot more items and it's worth a whole lot more. But you have to be a charmer through Boxy Charm in order to receive Boxy Luxe. So I just want to let you know that. And it also says, Boxy Fact, all your Boxy babes this month are our very own employees. Since the theme of the month is Goal Digger, not gold, goal, we wanted to highlight just a few of the gold diggers we see every day. And mine is variation number 3. There's a little number 3 right there at the bottom. Again, I don't know what's in my box. We'll all look together. And the gold diggers today are Maritza, Donna, Helen, Caro, and Zari. And they're these 5 gorgeous ladies. They're very, very pretty. And there it is. Gold digger. You see, gold and digger. And down here is everything that I got. I don't know what it is. We'll look together, as I have not opened the box yet, as you saw me open it. But I will tell you that the boxes are well over $100 at all times. Tomorrow I will be doing a try-on video of this box. However, there is one thing in this box that I have in my hand that I will not be putting on tomorrow because I don't wear lashes. I mean, I have worn them in the past, but I don't wear them very often. They're very pretty, though. They're wispy and they're beautiful, but I'm not great at putting on my eyelashes, so I'd rather not put them on. So I'll just leave those off, and I'll just save them with the rest of my lashes that I have, which are quite a bit. I have quite a few lashes. I just don't wear them very often. So there's that. And those retail for the grand price of, drum please, $14.99. And those were Maritza's favorite, the Lashaholic Lashes Insta Glam False Lashes. Next, oh, that's pretty. I got the Jante Bleu Glittering Star Eyeliner. I saw this on somebody else's unboxing. It's black in color, which is perfect because I like black eyeshadow. I'm sorry, black eyeliner. And I'll put this on my hand and we'll swatch it right quick as soon as I figure out how to open it. My hands are a little shaky right now. I don't know why. They're just being really stupid and shaky. I can't tell you why because I don't know. They're just being shaky. I do that, though. Okay, got it off. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's a gorgeous. It's got a little bit of shimmer. Let me put on a light here where y'all can see better, maybe. I forgot to turn on my ring light, so let me... Okay, here we go. You got a little bit of a shimmer there. Not a lot, just a little bit of a shimmer. But it's a subtle shimmer. It's not an overdone shimmer. So I like that. I like that a whole lot, actually. Please forgive my eyes as they are watering like crazy because my allergies are just driving me nuts. Can't do allergies and I hate it. So the price of this one is the Jante Bleu Glittering Star Eyeliner. It retails for $5. And it is Caro's favorite. So Caro, the gold digger, picked the Jante Bleu eyeliner. I can tell you, I have other Jante Bleu eyeliners from Boxy Charm. I haven't met one I didn't like yet. I love them. They're great eyeliners. Very pigmented. They go on really nicely. They stay on for a long period of time. Pardon me. They don't come off real easy, and I really, really like them. So I'm really excited to have this one. I really was hoping to get this one, and I did, so I'm quite excited about that. And I will be using that again, as I said, tomorrow in a video. The next thing I got are the Luxie Premium Synthetic Handcrafted Brushes. And they're golden color and have what looks like maybe glitter on them. I'm not 100% certain. Let's open them and find out. Or let's not. Let's say we did. Yeah, it's not the way to open them is with your teeth, believe me. That is not a smart way to open them. Okay. Ignore me, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm having a moment with myself here. Okay, come on. Okay, here we go. All I had to, it's like a little zipper, like a little Ziploc bag. All I had to do was open it, but yeah, I didn't know how to open that. So anyway, now we're going to look at these beautiful 4 very soft, beautiful pencil brushes. You got a soft little angled one right here, which is perfect for just about anything. It's gorgeous. It does not have a number on it. Yes, it does. It's the Luxie Mini Flat Angled Brush. Very mini, but awesome to use for eyeshadow. The Luxie 149 Mini Round. I like that. You could probably put that in your inner crease. Really work your inner crease out with that. This is the Luxie 131 Mini Angled. So I guess I got 2 different angled brushes, but that's okay. I don't mind. And then another mini tapered Luxie 121. Also very nice for the buffing into the crease or the inner corners or whatever you want to use it for. Perfect brush. Those retail for $21, and those are Donna's favorite. Next in here, but not least, is Cover FX Glitter Drops. I love the Cover FX Glitter Drops. These are these are ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high-impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone or under makeup or mixed with your foundation or moisturizer for an incredible luxe glitter effect on the face and body. Well, I don't put highlighter all over my body, just on my face. But we'll try it, and that is Helen's favorite, and this one retails for $44. Again, this is Cover FX. It says the color I have is Nova. I don't know. We're going to look right now. We're going to try this on my hand. See how well this looks on my hand, shall we? Oh, that is gorgeous. If I put that all over myself, my God, it'd look like I took a bath in glitter, but it's beautiful, and it'll get used, I promise. So I'm going to set that up there, because I am using this tomorrow, as I said, to do another video for y'all. It will be a live stream if you want to join. I cannot give you a time because I don't know. Ace Beauty Grandiose Palette. This is cruelty-free, which is totally awesome. And it was made in Texas. Ding, 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 ding. That's where I live, Texas. So that's awesome. We're going to see what's in this one. This one retails for $24.99, and this is Zari's favorite. So let's see. There is no mirror in this palette, which I'm really shocked about, but there's not. Here are these gorgeous colors. Jasmine, clove, myrtle, cinnamon, primrose, poppy, rose, patchouli. I already said jasmine. Okay. So you have 1, 2, 3 beautiful shimmers, and 1, 2, 3, 4 beautiful mattes, and 5 beautiful mattes. We'll swatch these as well. We'll put them on my arm. Okay, we're going to go in with jasmine first, which is a gold one. Put it right there. Then we're going with clove, which we'll put right there. It's very pinkish, very coralish. There we go. Myrtle, which is a shimmer, which is just like a nickel. It's beautiful. Cinnamon, like a brown, very pretty colors. Next is patchouli, which I'll put on the top of my arm. Rose, not very pinkish color, not coming out very much. There we go. Poppy, which is like a reddish burgundy, which is gorgeous. Last but not least is primrose, which is a glitter as well, a shimmer. And those are the 4 that are on the top. And those are, those are the 4 that are on the bottom. That is my Ace Beauty palette. Now, again, this one retailed for $24.99. Not a bad deal at all. So I'm going to put that away here. Okay, so that was $25. The glitter drops are, we'll say $44, $45, so that makes it $70 right there. Okay. Then you have these eye brush sets right here, which are $21. So that's what? 25, 45, 4, 5, 6, 70 plus 21, $91 there. Plus the $5, that's $96. Plus the lashes, which are $15. So we're looking at roughly about $120 to $130 more or less. I don't know. I'm not going to do the math. It doesn't matter. And that is what I got in my Boxy Charm. And that is that more than pays for the box. The box, again, is a $21 a month subscription where you get 4 to 5 full-size products of makeup. You always get amazing brands. Tarte, Cover Effects, Jante Blue, Luxie brushes. You name it, we get it. We get everything in Boxy Charm. I love Boxy Charm. I would never trade Boxy Charm for all the money in the world. I love my Boxy Charm. So if anybody from Boxy Charm is watching, thank you. I love your products. They're awesome. And look out for, if you're a charmer, be sure you watch out for Boxy Lux. It's not a bad product. I haven't got it yet, but I am hoping to get it in December. But we will see. Anyway, guys, tomorrow I will do a live stream or a get ready with me. I will be doing a video tomorrow. Don't know whether it'll be live or not, but I will be doing a video trying on my makeup. So be sure you keep looking for it. Even if it is just a live stream, I can do it as a live stream. But I'll leave it up so y'all can see it. And I do want to say that this is probably my favorite right here is these glitter drops because I really want to try them. I've been itching to try glitter drops, but I never bought any. But now that they're in my Boxy Charm, I can try them. No risk, not a lot of risk involved that way. And I love these Luxie brushes too. So overall, on a scale from 1 to 10 on this box got a perfect 10 for me. It's awesome. Again, that's my Boxy Charm Gold Digger this month. $21 a month. 4 to 5 full-size products every month. You build your build monthly. I hope y'all have a beautiful and blessed day. I will see y'all later. Take care. Be good. Love y'all. Besos.